I'm Judy. A customer from Mexico placed order with us for 380 units of 960R4 LED display billboards. How big is 380 units? If you lay it out on the ground, it's about the size of 4.75 standard badminton courts. So, and have a look at what kind of LED billboard has the Mexico customers so obsessed. Let's go. The 960R4 LED display billboard uses 960-by-960mm magnesium-alloy cabinet design, so sturdy and durable. The back cover design is really cool, white like a beast and super distinctive. The black cover is sealed and you can open it with a triangular wrench. And this EA960R4 LED display billboard really pays attention to details. Whether it's internal gaps or the external triangular wrench, everything's been waterproofed. Even though this LED display billboard is fully sealed, but there still has great dissipation. That's until the two cooling fans on the back cover. They have bringing temperature down really fast. And there cable channel design on the left and the right side of the cabinet. The power cables and the signal wires can easily pass through here. This simplifies cable management and makes everything look cleaner. Besides that, the EA960R4 LED screen is also fantastic when it comes to viewing experience. With high brightness and high refresh rate, it delivers more vivid and lifelike visuals for users. Therefore, EA960R4 outdoor series are widely used in different scenarios and applications, such as shopping mall or commercial streets and commercial events, and so on. That's all for this video. I'm Judy. See you. Bye bye. I will see you next time.